Yay! Use scissors to cut off the fins and tail of the fish. Cut off the head of the fish. Make a few diagonal cuts on the fish body to help the spices absorb easily. Mix the dry spices including salt, chili powder, and pepper in a small bowl. Add cooking oil and squeeze lemon juice into the mixture. Stir well to create a thick marinade. Use a spoon to spread the sauce evenly over the fish. Cut the lemon into small pieces. Dice the tomatoes. Thinly slice the shallots. Line a baking tray with parchment paper, then layer the lemon and shallots on the bottom. Place the marinated fish on top of the vegetables. Arrange the tomatoes and parsley stuffing on top and inside the fish. Place the tray in the oven. Carefully remove the cooked fish from the oven.
Some delicious fish. Remove the fish scales. We only use the meat from the fish's body for the dish. We will now prepare a batter to cover the fish. Pick up some flour. Add a little black pepper, salt, and paprika. Mix them all together. And don't forget the breadcrumbs. Pour the breadcrumbs onto a plate. Add egg yolks. We will now season the fish with the prepared ingredients. Next, let's move on to the frying part. Add cooking oil to a pot. Put the fish in when the oil is hot. Wow, the sound of the sizzling oil is so satisfying. We take out the fish when it's cooked. First, put the bell peppers in a bowl. Add a little green chili, purple cabbage. Continue by adding radish, carrot, and salt. Squeeze in lemon. Finally, we will mix it all together. Okay, done. Now, we will wrap the tortilla with the ingredients we just mixed. Spread sour cream on the tortilla. Next, add the fish and spice mixture. Then, we will wrap it up. Next, move on to the frying part. Add butter to a pot. Put the burrito in when the butter is hot. Great! It's time to enjoy the meal. It's really crispy and delicious. Flour. Cooking oil. Shrimp. Ginger. Garlic. Chili. Water. Tomato sauce. Chili sauce. Ketchup. Shrimp. Bread flour. Yolk.